To connect a printer with Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter connections and then look for the more connection settings. Then select the printing right here, and now you should see, by default, you should see only default print service. You will need to enter pairing mode on your printer, so depending on your printer model it is always different, which means you will need to research online how to enter pairing mode on your specific model. After it's in the pairing mode, select default printing service and then it will begin searching for your printer. When you can see it on this screen right here, select it and then it should be connected with your phone. Alternatively, if this does not work and you're still in pairing mode on your printer, you can try to download additional plugins from a specific brand to help you connect. So you can select this button, then in Google Play Store find a plugin for your printer. For example, if you're using the HP printer, it should be here. I've already downloaded it, that's why it's not here. You can then select it and it should appear on this list. Now you just need to click on HP itself and then scan for your printer right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.